Jamaica was a success, but if I can help anybody, I would say this. 5 things you should know before going to Jamaica. 1, bring $100 in ones with you. Nothing but ones. Nothing but ones. You'll be tipping out the yin yang because, mind you, they live off American tips. $1 is $100 to them. So tip them $1 or $2 at a time. You do not need to tip them 5 and 10 like my dumb ass was in the beginning. Don't come out here thinking you a big bowler. $2 is enough for them. And you're going to have to tip a lot. So bring a bunch of ones. 3, your resort is 2. Your resort is not lit all times of the day. TikTok lied to us. Them resorts be lit from 3 to 5. 3 to 5. That 1-minute clip have you thinking your resort is just lit and you're going to just party and play the resort and have fun. No, that's a lie. 3, the food is Americanized. It's Americanized. It's Americanized. It's Americanized. You got to go to the island and get the little food huts if you want real authentic food. 4, there's 3 Reeds. Reed Palace, Reed Montego Bay, and Reed Reggae. Reggae is ghettoing for the younger crowd. I'm sorry, I said what I said. Montego Bay is more like mid. It's more like, okay, I'm bougie and I'm a little hood. I'm going to stay here. Palace, white folks. Bougie. It's cool to sleep there. You ain't partying there. They don't tell you that on TikTok. Palace is cool to sleep. I'd rather be away from the turn up. I want to sleep where there ain't no turn up. But I want to go to the turn up. You feel what I'm saying? And when you stay at the Palace, that's where I stay. You get access to all 3 resorts. Yeah. 5. And this is real. I trust the Islanders with my life before I trust an American with my life. You can trust these people. When I tell you, when they realized I was alone, they stood by me. They made sure I was safe. Like no one told me that you can really trust the Jamaican people. Like they don't fuck around. They